Okay, so this is number 20 from homework from 9.2. A certain car gets 23 miles to the gallon. So that means 23 miles in 1 gallon, right? Getting miles per gallon means per 1 gallon. How far can it travel on 12 gallons of gas on an open highway? Is there a rate in this problem? Yes. So you have 1 unit of thing that's changing in terms of a second unit, right? So 23 miles per 1 gallon. So answer for A would be yes, 23 miles per gallon, right? What unit fraction is associated with this rate? Well, because this one already has a 1 here, it's already a unit rate. So the unit fraction is just 23 miles per 1 gallon, right? It's already there. So C, answer the question in part A using the unit rate. So when I use unit rate strategy, I like to do it this way. So you have miles and gallons, and you have the unit rate, and you have what you want, right? So our unit rate is 23 miles and 1 gallon. And we want to know how far can it travel on 12 gallons of gas, right? So we want a 12 here. And these numbers aren't super compatible. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this up in a cross multiply. Now it's kind of a unit rate here because it's 23 miles in 1 gallon. Wait, hold on. I feel like I put it in the wrong spot. I did. So let's scratch that and go back. So let's take away this and this. We had 23 miles in 1 gallon, and I want to know how far 12 gallons will get me. And now we can set this up as it's a unit rate strategy because I have unit up there, and I changed something to 1, or it was given as 1. And now I'm just going to multiply top and bottom by 12 to get what I want. So if you take 23 times 12, that's going to be 230, and 24 is at 272. I think, miles in 12 gallons. Okay, and so that would be my part C. And the second one is to set up to proportion and solve the problem. So this is part C. And alternatively, instead, if we wanted to set up a proportion, I would do the exact same thing, only I would have miles, gallons, unit, and what I want. And then I'm going to set it up this way with my 2 equal fraction. That's my proportion. So 23 per 1 gallon. And then we want how many miles will it take to go 12 gallons. And then you cross multiply and you get that X is 272 miles. Right? So same exact thing, just set up and shown slightly differently. So don't let that throw you off when they asked for different strategies.